For this project, I will be making a small wind turbine that will produce a small amount of energy. It is now time to measure our PVC pipes. We will be making our wind turbine 8 by 8 for its base and 12 inches off the ground. Now that we have all of our PVC pipes cut, it is time to assemble our wind turbine. We will assemble all of our PVC pipes, and then we will add the motor to the top, along with the wind turbine propellers. Next, we will drill a small hole at the bottom and fish our wires through. We now have a wind turbine that is fully functional. We should have a motor, the propellers, wire that is going to our motor, and something hooked up to the other end. In this example, I used a multimeter to measure how much voltage we will get with this motor. As we can see with my multimeter, that it doesn't go much higher than 2 volts, which isn't enough to power a normal light bulb. In real-world applications, we would have much more efficient motors that produce enough energy to use for our normal homes. As we can see in the next graph, we can power multiple homes off of one wind turbine. Wind energy has many advantages and disadvantages. To start off, the advantages is very little pollution with windmills. It does not produce atmospheric emissions that cause acid rain or the greenhouse effect, and is fairly cheap. Some disadvantages is it depends on how energetic a wind site is, and that depends how competitive the energy might be. The energy cannot be stored. It is usually used in remote locations. It also has a tendency to kill a lot of animals, like birds. As you can see with this graph, over the last 15 years, we have been able to up our wind capacity by exponential numbers. This trend of using a lot more wind energy is not just for America. As you can see here, that many other countries like Italy, Denmark, Germany, Spain, France have also been investing in wind energy over the past 15 to 20 years as well. Lastly, we can see that wind energy is not a huge source of our energy use in America, but that may change if it becomes more efficient and more cost effective.